beings, dear friends, good morning. A lovely, lovely, lovely new day is born. And about this new day, I want to speak to you today. So when you wake up in the morning, what are you feeling? Are you feeling, oh, I'm so tired, I cannot go up from bed? Or do you feel, oh my God, this and this and this and this I have to do? Or do you feel, wow, I cannot wait to start the day and everything? So you might observe this, how you feel in the morning. And I love to wake up and open my eyes, and then for some minutes I love to have this feeling of gratitude inside of me, and I go inside that feeling and I'm thankful that yes, hey, I can see this new day which is starting now. I'm alive. So many other peoples might have not seen this sunrise, but through life I have another chance to do this day. And so I feel gratitude for this. Thank you for seeing this newborn day. And yes, thank you that I have so nice parents that brought me to this life and such a nice family. And when we have this feeling inside of us, then we start the day with positivity, and positivity is so much. I have realized that with positivity I became a new human being, and it is very easy to start this day with that. And maybe you can try it. Also, you can be thankful that you have a roof or a house, a roof over your head, we say in Germany. And this day you also will have food to eat, is it? And you have clothes to wear, and all these things that we take for granted normally, and so we can form an attitude to be thankful for what we have. And when we are thankful for what we have, then our expectations are getting less and less and less in life, and also our wishes, because sometimes unfulfilled expectations and wishes can make our life very bitter. So, dearest sisters and brothers of the whole world, thank you for watching this little movie, and I wish you a very happy day. So you know that today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. And with that, you cannot be unhappy. Raise your hands inside the air, or to the air. Yes, and if you like this movie or this little clip, then subscribe it. That's easy. And you also can join me on my happysoulpainting.com, and there are also more exclusive freebies for you. So have a great day. Have a great day. Love you.